Good morning, class. In our today's English class, we will study past continuous tense. Now, children, let's try to understand where to use past continuous tense. It is used to express an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. That means the time has already gone and the action that we are describing now, it happened in the past. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस इट मीन्स हम उस एक्शन को पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं जो ऑलरेडी बीते हुए समय में हो चुका है. दैट मीन्स सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट द एक्शन हैड ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. राइट? एग्जाम्पल्स: I was reading a story. That means maybe I was reading a story yesterday or day before yesterday, 1 month back. So I have already read. मैं पढ़ चुकी हूँ story. So I was reading a story. Money was writing a letter. Means some time back she was writing a letter. We were learning English. That means we are not learning English today. Maybe yesterday we were learning English. तो हम कल English पढ़ रहे थे. It happened in the past. They were fighting with each other. So words like was reading, was writing, were learning, were fighting, they all indicate past continuous tense. So past continuous tense is used to express any action that was going on in the past. Right? How to form the past continuous tense? Now, children, if you remember, I told you before that in continuous tense, we always use ing form of the verb. So, in past continuous tense also, we will have ing form of the verb. And what will be the helping verb? Was and were. So, was is used with singular subject or I. And were is used with plural subject or you. So past continuous tense में was और were का use होता है followed by ing form of the verb. Was हम singular subject के लिए use करते हैं और with I, and were is used with plural subject when the subject is more than one and you. Example: it was raining. So was is the helping verb, rain is the main verb and ing form of it. Children were playing. Children is plural. So we are using were, and play is the first form of the verb along with ing. I was holding an umbrella. So I, with I we are using was. So I is followed by was. Hold is the form of the verb and ing, so holding an umbrella. Then the ing form of the verb, this we have already covered in present continuous tense, but still let's have a quick review of it. Normally we add ing to the root form of the verb. Root form means the first form of the verb is there, and to that we are adding ing. Like drink will be changed to drinking, learn to learning. If a verb ends in e, अगर किसी verb का last letter e है, what are we supposed to do? We drop the c. Like write, last letter is e, we will remove e and we will put ing, writing. Drive, last letter is e, we will remove e and we will put ing, so driving. So whenever any verb ends in e, we drop this e and put ing. Right? Another rule is, in some cases the last letter is doubled. Now if any consonant is there, like hit, begin, quarrel, now T, N, L, they all are what? Consonants. So if the word is ending with it, we will be doubling the last letter and then putting ing. Like hit, so spelling will be HITT ing. Begin, it will be changed to beginning. Quarrel will change to quarreling. In case of verbs ending in IE, so there are very few verbs that end in IE, but whenever the last two letters are IE, we will change this IE to Y. IE को हम Y में बदल देंगे. Like die will change to dying. So हमने IE को Y में change किया and then we have added ING. Same way, lie, last two letter is IE. We will change it to Y and ING, lying. Tie, TIE. So हमारा ING फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? TYING. IE की जगह हमने Y लगाया है and then we have added ING. So this was the ING form of the verb. So in continuous tense, we are always using the ING form of the verb, and that too, to the root form of the verb, we are putting ING. Now, based on what we have learned just now, let's try a few exercises. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verb. In bracket, the verbs are written like run, search, bark, do, wear. So you have to use the past continuous form of the verb and write here. So when we are framing a sentence in past continuous form of the verb, you already know that we have to use was or were plus ing form of the verb. So she is singular subject, so we will be putting was, and run will be changed to ing form, running. So she was running very fast. I, with I we use was, so I was. Search, change it into ing form, searching. I was searching for my book. Dogs is plural, so we will use were. Dogs were. Verb is bark, put ing, barking loudly. Dogs were barking loudly. Reena, singular subject, so it will be followed by was, and the verb is do, put ing, doing. Reena was doing her homework. You is followed by were, so you were. Wear is the verb, put ing, wearing a beautiful dress. You were wearing a beautiful dress. So these are the answers. She was running very fast. I was searching for my book. Dogs were barking loudly. Reena was doing her homework, and you were wearing a beautiful dress. Is it clear? Now moving to next exercise. Change into past continuous tense. Now children, whenever the question is for changing into any tense, in that case what you have to do? First find out the verb. Sentence में जो भी verb है आप उसे find करिए. Example, like boys climbed the tree. Verb क्या है? Climbed. ठीक है. Now you know कि past continuous tense में हम verb का ing form use करते हैं. We use the ing form of the verb. So an ing form is added to the root form, है ना? तो verb यहाँ पे climbed है, इसका root form क्या हुआ? First form of the verb क्या होगा? Climb. Change it into climbing. Now frame the sentence. Boys is plural, so we'll put was. Were. Boys were climbing the trees. He is doing his work. Now doing is already in ing form, so we will not change the verb, but we will change the helping verb. Is will be changed to was. He was doing his work. Someone knocked at the door. Now knocked is the verb. We will change it into ing form. Knocking. Someone was knocking at the door. Are you going to the mall? Now going is already in continuous tense, ing form. So we will replace are with were. Were you going to the mall? I am doing sums. Doing is again in ing form. So we will not change doing, but we will change am. Am will be changed to was. I was doing sums. So these are the answers. Boys were climbing the trees. He was doing his work. Someone was knocking at the door. Were you going to the mall? I was doing sums. So whenever we change into past continuous tense, we have to use was or were. And this we decide based on the subject. If subject is singular, we will use was. If subject is plural, we will use were. Then it will be followed by ing form of the verb. Right? Thank you.